Inside this massive factory, thousands of watermelons are turned into fresh juice every single day. But what you're about—
Before processing begins, every watermelon is carefully inspected. Only the highest quality fruits move forward in the process.
Next comes industrial washing. Powerful machines remove dirt, dust, and impurities, leaving every watermelon perfectly clean. After slicing, powerful extraction systems separate the soft pulp from the rind, collecting the rich fruit flesh while the waste is removed from the line. The extracted pulp now enters high-speed crushing systems, where powerful blades transform it into smooth liquid juice within seconds. Next, the juice is filtered, removing seeds and unwanted particles, leaving behind a perfectly smooth liquid. The juice is then cooled in massive tanks, where temperature is carefully controlled, to preserve freshness, flavor, and color. After cooling, the juice enters large mixing tanks, ensuring a perfectly smooth and consistent blend before packaging begins. Now comes the filling stage. Thousands of bottles are filled with fresh juice, with incredible speed and precision. Immediately after filling, automated machines seal every bottle tightly, locking in freshness for transport. Next comes labeling, where each bottle is branded with precision, creating a clean and professional final product. Finally, the bottles are packed and prepared for shipment, ready to be delivered to stores around the world. And in just a short time, fresh watermelons are transformed into pure, refreshing juice. But this process never stops. It starts all over again.